Alrighty guys, I'm gonna set y'all up with this tripod. Somebody last night was asking about this, what I use to set up. I actually use this tripod off of Amazon, but we do have a rear brake job on a 2015 Sentra, I believe. Yeah, 2015 Sentra. I already cut the brakes. Y'all can see that in the short, and I will be installing the calipers and brake pads on this video. So if y'all would like, please stay tuned. Things get interesting very quickly. So I'm gonna ask y'all some questions throughout this video. All right, so stay tuned. If you made it this far into the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, turn on all post notifications. Okay, and if you would like, join the FMFAM. It gets you some pretty cool perks, some emojis, and you get a nice little badge next to your name anytime you comment on my video. So let's get back to the video. I almost forgot the most important step when doing these brakes, is lubing them up. Okay, I always lube these up, and I apply stop squeal on the pad itself. Some people are a fan of it, some people aren't. I am truly a fan of stop squeal. Never had an issue with them before. Hell, when I was in Express, I used to sell this service anytime I heard brake squealing. So I would literally pull the vehicle in. If I heard brake squeal, I would upsell this service. I would sell this service for about an hour. So I would take the glazing off of the pads, and then I would apply this solution, and rarely did I ever have a comeback when I would do this. And that's why I am such a fan of this stop squeal, because I've seen it work. So I'll let it dry, and y'all will be able to see the way it like flashes. Okay, so let's let that dry, and then we'll apply the brake caliper grease or brake pad grease. Wow guys, I cannot believe I actually messed up on a video. So like I said, I cut some brakes on a short, and I actually messed up. Usually I get a mirror and look at the backside. Look at that. I did not pay attention. So guess what Fluff has to do? Fluff has to recut them. But while I'm cutting them, I'm gonna let y'all look at these, I'm gonna let y'all look at these pads and watch how these pads dry, all right? Yeah, as y'all see, the pads are now dry. I'm gonna flip them over and apply my brake grease. Genuine grease right here. Now, not everybody does this. Some manufacturers don't even recommend this, but I like to grease the back of my pads. I was told in tech school, any metal contact points when it comes to pads, grease them. Because metal on metal contact without any lube in between causes squealing. Okay, so I am cutting those brakes those rotors at the same time, being that I messed up. Didn't mean to mess up. I'm tired, guys. I am actually real tired today. Stayed at the shop super late. As y'all know, I was late to the live stream. And then there's actually been an update. If y'all were in the live stream, we're supposed to be going live with JT, online mechanic tips, and because of conflicting schedules, it has now been moved to Sunday. So it'll be Sunday, same time, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Eastern. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to Online Mechanic Tips. I'll link him in the description, and we're gonna have fun. So let me get back to these brakes. So as y'all can see, we have no more warpage showing on the rotor anymore. So that is a good thing, right? Yes, definitely. So let me take this machine off, and then we will start replacing the pads. Now, anytime after you do brakes, anytime after you do brakes, you want to mic the rotors. Okay, mic the rotors means throwing a micrometer on there and seeing what the measurement after comes out to be, and you compare it to specs. So we got 8.39 millimeters. 8.39 millimeters. Okay, so the spec is actually 8 millimeters before, or the spec is actually 8 millimeters for thickness, minimum thickness. So we are good. So with that being said, we're gonna slap the pads on here and get done with this brake job. Now, next time they go to do brakes, definitely they will need a set of rotors. But right now we save the customer money by resurfacing rather than replacing. So let me adjust the camera, and yeah. All right, we're gonna start off with the caliper bracket. Install the caliper bracket. I'm gonna try to. I couldn't find the bolt. Install this. I'm just using this to run them down. Okay. And then I will get a ratchet wrench and crank it tight, tight. And then get my pad set, which I almost thought I got the wrong side. Yeah, get my pad set, go install them. Sometimes these pads can be a pain in the butt, but this one's all right. And get my grease, my slide pin. Ooh, a little too much. You don't want to put too much grease on these pins, guys, because you can lock it. Because remember, these are not, any fluid is not compressible. So you'll think it's tight when it's actually loose because of the pocket in there, pocket of grease. Press that. Notice how I didn't remove this one from the caliper? A little trick. The less you take off, the less you have to worry about. putting back on and potentially messing or missing it. That's tight. I'm gonna hit this one just in case. Come on. That's tight. Okay, we will move on to the other side. Let's do it. All right, so we're gonna do pretty much the exact same thing on this side. I kind of did this one a little weird. I don't know why. I wasn't even recording at the time when I took this off. Can flip. Took it all off all together as one. So get bracket on.
Robert to the service drive, Robert to the service drive.
This one like so. And I can't wait to get a roll cart, a mobile roll cart. That way I could not be going back and forth so much. This shit is a pain. It's all about efficiency. That one on. Compress my caliper. And I did a brake flush on this yesterday before we went live. And remember that squealer is gonna go in a position to where it's gonna get turned into the pad, or yeah, into the pad when going forward. So if we're going this way, we'll want that squealer to get pushed up. So that's how I have it set. Oops. Now, I don't know if I said this already, but yes, we do stream on Tuesdays and Fridays. So if y'all would like, come and join us. It gets pretty fun. Conversations get crazy up in there, and the conversations go on for a long time. And then Fridays, I bring a panel in, so it's not just my ugly face. Y'all see several other faces in there as well. So we're gonna wrap this video up for today. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all made it to the end, please hit that like button. And what else? Oh yeah, join the FMFAM memberships. Yes, check these videos out right here. Subscribe right there. We got merch store. Deuce.
Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket.